Welcome to another episode of Jumpin' in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're going back to the Christmas menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot, homemade brioche bread. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: yeast, salt, milk, lemon peel, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, eggs. Let's get to making the homemade brioche bread. Now, this is the first thing we do. We add a cup of flour to the mixer, the warm milk, and the yeast. We mix this up. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, we push the sides down so everything can get mixed up together. Now, everything is mixed up together. Now, we're going to let this rest for 30 minutes. Then we'll come back with the next step. Now, let's see if the dough is ready to move on to the next step. Yes, it is. We made a sponge first. Now, this is what we're going to do now. We're going to add the granulated sugar, some salt, the eggs, the rest of the flour, and we're going to grate some lemon peeling. No more than about a half a teaspoon. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're going to mix it. I've changed to the dough. We're going to let this mix up for about 10 to 13 minutes until the dough pulls away from the bowl. And every 4 to 5 minutes, you got to stop it. Every 4 to 5 minutes, you got to push the sides of the dough down in the bowl. Now let's check and see if it's ready to move on to the next step. Yes, it is. So we're going to turn the mixer on low. And we're going to add the unsalted butter, a piece at a time. About 13 to 15 teaspoons slices. And after we add all the butter, we're going to let this mix up for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that the dough has mixed thoroughly, we're going to cover it up and let it rise for an hour. Set it in a warm spot. Then we'll come back with the next step. Now let's check and see if the dough has risen enough. It has. Now we're going to put some flour on the board. Gonna take the dough out. Gonna press it down. The air bubbles out. It's already been kneaded, so we don't have to knead it. Just pressing the air bubbles out. Now, we're going to cut it into 6 pieces. Cut it in half. Then cut each half into 3 pieces. Now it's supposed to be sticky like this. Loaf pan here that I've greased with butter. And this is what we're going to do. Going to take this and we're going to press it flat. Then we're going to roll it up like this and put the seam side down. Let's do another one. Flatten it with your palm of your hand, then roll it up like this. Same side down, put it in the pan. And I will continue to do the rest of them. Now let's see if it has risen. Yes, it did. Now I have an egg wash here that I made. I beat it up of 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of water. Now I'm brushing the top of the bread. I'm going to put this in the oven and let it bake for 25 minutes. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. You have it, homemade brioche bread. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.